So on cyber insurance in general, for those of you that have it, you'll see the premiums going up because of all the problems. For those of you that don't have it, you should get the insurance qualification form because you need to be better than the form because you're now what we call self-insured. You have no insurance. Therefore, the things that would qualify you for insurance, that's a great to-do list for those of you who aren't going to get covered by a cyber policy. So the insurance works usually for cyber on your workforce, even if they're dispersed. But, and as I hand it over to Chuck for his views on this, how you refactored your security for remote work is a critical component. The final great news, and I'll hand it to Chuck to kind of delve in on this as he sees fit. There's a lot of services for small businesses where a lot of this is kind of turnkey. They can make virtual machines for you. They can set up your multi-factor auth. And there's a monthly stipend, like there's a monthly fee of like $50 to have MFA. It's not what it used to be where you have to buy a whole pallet of it. There are a lot of services for small businesses, including insurance.
And I look at insurance, I look at, if you're going to apply for health insurance, the first thing they ask you is, what's your diet, what's your weight, your health record, do you work out, do you smoke, etc. It's sort of the same way with cybersecurity. I mean, what have you done to protect yourself? What tools and devices and services are you using that makes you less at risk? And that's what it's all about, being less at risk. So there's really no one size that fits all insurance. And I'm glad to see that the small and medium business offerings are there, because I think there's, if you look at industries, there's such a disparate perception of what they need, and also the threats to a large corporation or a large organization versus a small business. And so I think, you have to look at things. And people in this poll that may have voted for the 13%, I'm not going to look at insurance, I just advise you to look at the legal costs of something that may happen. If something does happen, it's going to far be greater than any cost you're going to pay out insurance over the years.